Picture yourself in the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.